Hey guys, welcome back to Next Cook. My name is Ryan Phipps. Today I got something easy, quick, healthy, and delicious and beautiful for you to make today. Okay guys, so today we're making avocado and smoked salmon tartare. So firstly, what we're going to do, we're going to make our homemade mayonnaise to go with our avocado. Okay, so our ingredients for our mayonnaise, we're not making it with standard egg yolk, but we're making it with soy milk. So add in 50 mils of soy milk. And then 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I like Dijon mustard better than any other mustard. And then we're gonna mix it together. All right, sorry guys, I forgot my salt and pepper, so you have to season. So always a good pinch of salt, and then a good crack of pepper before we start mixing. So we're gonna whisk it just to mix it initially, and then we got our 100 mils of vegetable oil here, and we're gonna slowly add it, okay? So slowly drizzle it in, right? While we mix. You don't wanna go quick. You don't wanna put the oil in too quick, or else it's gonna split. So we slowly but surely add it. And you wanna make sure every time it's properly incorporated. All right, so now all my oil is done. I'm just gonna continue to mix it. You can use an electric mixer with you, right? An electric mixer. But for me, I like the workout. I wanna get my muscles big. So I'm just gonna do it by hand. It's all, so this is emulsification. So you're emulsifying the oil with the soy milk, the vinegar, and the mustard. So it's gonna become thick. So you just gotta be persevere, and it's gonna become thick. After a couple minutes of full on whisking, it's gonna come to about that consistency. So it's not gonna get too thick, but that's thick enough for us. So with mayonnaise, you can add as many different flavors as you want. So you can put garlic with it and make garlic mayonnaise, or you could add citrus like lemon or lime and make it citrus emulsion if you could. But for me, I'm just gonna go with a simple one, make sure it tastes good. Give it a little taste, maybe a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then that's beautiful for us. Okay, so now I'm gonna get to making our tartare. So first off, I'm gonna start to cut our avocado. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut around this way, around. So using my knife, be very careful. Around the seed in the middle. All right, and then twist, and off it comes. That goes off as well. And then, I'm gonna grab a spoon, and then get under it, and then take out that whole purse of the avocado there. I'm only gonna use 1/2 because that's all we really need for this. And then I'm gonna dice it. So using my knife nicely. All right, so now that we diced it, I'm gonna put it straight into our bowl of the mayonnaise. All right, so now we've mixed our avocado and our mayonnaise together. So that's quite nice. So now this is the moment where we get artistic when we put it together. So I got a normal size cutter here that you can get from any supermarket or anything. And it should be an essential piece of equipment in your kitchen. So firstly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use our avocados that we mix with our mayonnaise and put it in the bottom of the cutter. All right, so this will act as sort of our base. All right, so you can be generous with how much you wanna put in. It's really up to you how much you wanna put in. But you really wanna compact it into all of the sides. Okay, the next, we got a cream cheese. So this is just normal cream cheese from any grocery store. Just gonna get some and put it on top. So this is our next layer. Right, then finally, we have our smoked salmon. So this is a normal smoked salmon from any grocery store as well. And then just layer it on top. Making sure that you cover each side. And then I got a little lemon wedge. What you do, you just cut a little slice and then you put it on. Ring it and put it on. Alright, now we're gonna take it off, unveil it. So that's a beautiful little petite tartare, which absolutely looks stunning. And then a couple pieces of beautiful baby rocket around the plate. Okay, And then to finish off, a little drizzle of olive oil. So I'm gonna put it on a spoon first to avoid any spills. And then very carefully, just drizzle. And then to finish, a tiny splash of black pepper. Bon appetit. Okay, so here I am with my beautiful avocado and smoked salmon tartare. So let's give it a try. This is a beautiful size, it's perfect size. We have nice colors going on. And it looks really good, I reckon. It's restaurant quality. I'm just gonna get into it. Get a massive bite. That's awesome. It's really good flavor. It's not too salty with the smoked salmon and the cream cheese. Everything sort of balances out. That homemade mayonnaise, absolutely beautiful. And that little bit of lemon is perfect. So thank you guys. This is 5 minutes to make this. It's really quick, really easy. You made something from scratch and this is how you're gonna impress your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time.